Hello guys, today I have ultra slim charge system for Xbox One. As you can see, it can fit up to 2 Xbox One controllers. As you see, it does work with the Elite Series controllers and the original. I don't know if it's gonna work with the next gen Xboxes, but we'll see. There's batteries for the controllers. Here's some basic information. Sorry. So there's an adapter for fast charging. So thanks to my dad for getting it. Let's just do the unboxing. It was a birthday present. Trying to just peel the... Hang on, I'm gonna get the tape off. Okay, so I got the tape off. Almost. I don't have to be too gentle with the box since I'm not gonna reuse the box. So it should be okay. Oops, shoot. Let's just pull the whole thing out. This is all that's in the box, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's just flip this over. First thing we got is, sorry, I'm just letting the camera focus in here. Anyway, okay, I got the camera to focus in. Here's the charging adapter. Feels okay quality, pretty good. Okay. Nice charger. So we got the battery kits. Trying to get the battery kit out. There. I'm gonna have to see how this works in a minute. As you see, there's 2 of them. So I think there's AA batteries in here. See? See the circle? Right there, it looks like there's batteries on each side. Okay. Here's the dock. Whoa, the dock is actually really heavy. Oh my god. Oh, this is a sticker. And what does this sticker lead to? Oh, it just leads to rubber on the bottom for, so it doesn't slide. So there's the dock for the charger. So I'm gonna have to see how that works in a second. We also have the 2 little, what are they called? Hang on a second, I just gotta get these out. Okay, I put down the camera for a second so I could open them up. Yeah, so this just goes onto the back of your controller. Alright, so let's just see how this works. Like I said, these 2 pieces I just took out. These pieces just snap off, and then these go in here like this. I wish it came in white, because now I'm gonna have to use a black piece on the white controller. I'm gonna see if I can use my white piece. If I can use my white piece, I will. But if I can't use the white piece, I'll just put these away. Because I do have a black controller and 2 white controllers, so I'll use the 2 black covers for the black controller, but I'll use the white ones for the white. Like I said, if I can use these, I will, and I'll just put the other 2. Where is the other one? Don't tell me I already lost. There it is. Yeah, so if I can use this one, I'll just put these away. Alright, so here's the dock. I'm just gonna see how these rechargeable pieces go on. I think you just, oh, sorry. I know what I did wrong. I'm supposed to dock the controllers on here. Okay. So as you see, I already have rechargeable batteries, but they take like 8 hours to charge, so if my controller dies, it takes about 8 hours to charge them, for example. I have this thing right here. This is a rechargeable battery kit. But as you see, you might say, well, how come you wanted a dock instead of this? And the reason is because I don't want to keep taking the batteries in and out. And also, this is going to charge way faster than this. This will be good for other things, but I'm getting kind of tired of using batteries in the controllers, so this will probably charge in like 2 hours, and this takes like 8 hours. And that's because this is designed for Xbox, and this is designed for just batteries. Since this is designed for Xbox, it'll charge way faster. This is just designed for anything. It's not specifically designed for Xbox, and it's not a fast charging one. So this is more expensive than that. So that's why this will be slower. It's not as expensive as this. Since this is more expensive, I'm going to use it because hopefully it charges faster. So let's just try how this works in the back of this controller. Okay, I'm going to try it for the first time. I'm going to make sure it's lined up. I'm not sure which way it lines up. Did it say? Negative and positive. Okay. So it goes in like this. Okay. There. There, almost. I think this is how it goes. Whoop. Keeps popping out of the... Okay, yes, I am gonna need these little flaps. Okay, this goes on here like this. I think. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to put on, because I don't know how to do this. Okay, so it goes on like this, and the middle piece just fits into this little thing right here. And that's the... Okay, so I'm gonna figure out how this works. Okay, it just goes in like this. Okay. There. That is how it works. That easy. Okay, so now all the controller does is docks on here. Okay, I'm gonna turn the controller off so I can test this. Okay. So it goes in like this and it just docks on here. Alright, so that is the unboxing. Here's the cord. I'll set this up real quick. A second. There we go. So this just plugs in right there. Alright, so thanks for watching. Fans Bus Gaming. I'm gonna go figure out where I'm gonna plug this in. And okay, this thing is not unwrapping. Hang on. There we go. Thanks for watching Fans Buses Gaming. Peace out.